right, we're here in Fairless Hills, 214 Wyandotte Road, right? Our new construction project, Russo Acquisition and Construction. Got a lot going on today. Bride's running the Bobcat.
Trying to be all loud and shit, fucking up our audio.
I know. I know. You're gonna make too much noise, dude.
I gotta work. I gotta work, man.
We're swapping out some putting the permanent porch posts in. Putting some Schluter shower shelves. That's what it's called. I'll show you in there. It's called Schluter.
That's like the name of the bushes. I can't even remember that. What was that shit?
They're arborvitaes.
Exactly, motherfucker. Yeah, weird ass construction names.
Adam's putting it. That's horticulture.
Horticulture.
I don't know anything about it.
It's the same fucking thing. Who cares?
Adam's putting those in. We got the new young bloods are here, right? Young bloods, new blood. What are we calling them? New blood.
I'm doing the shit work out back, shoveling shit, like literally.
Walk through there. We also got a little Pico segment that we're going to talk about. If anybody's getting fucked by Pico, you should tune in because I got fucked twice.
2 times.
2 times. So I'm going to try to prevent the third. Well, don't want to be nailed and screwed.
That's right.
Yeah, so we got to talk about Pico, talk about the new house, talk about our new real estate brokerage, right?
So we got 3 things, right? New house, shitty ass Pico,
Yep.
and the new fucking brokerage.
Yep.
B&R Real Estate.
B&R Real Estate.
Yep.
So,
All right, come on. All right, Brian's telling us we got to move the fucking cameras. Come on, man.
pause. Cut.
Here, just, no, don't cut it. Keep that, move that one and we'll keep this one rolling. So, yeah, move that one and we'll show you what this guy's doing to us. Fucking thing's worth every penny. 0% interest for 5 years.
Nice.
I know. Look at that, look at that. See, that's why you buy the one with the tracks. If you buy the ones with the wheels, you're not getting through any of that. You're done.
It's like a tank.
You're done, dude. Look at that.
Tracks on
Who's calling? Mother's calling. Hold on. Ma. What's up?
it. Mama Russo.
She said, hi, Morgan. Hi.
Like we said, we're gonna do Pico, new brokerage, and the new house a little bit, real quick.
A little inside information on the
So
things
we'll
here.
save Pico for last because I think that's gonna be the best story of the day. Where are we at? We're in Fairless. A little right hook to kidney. You can see it's got him fired up. So, new house. Tell us a little bit about the new house, real quick.
New house. So,
How'd you find it?
well, I live down the literally down the street.
Walked up here.
Yeah, I did walk up here today. I rolled my toolbox up.
Fantastic.
Trace actually got it. She found it, bought it off somebody who lived here for a long time. We knocked it all the way down to the slab.
Right.
And complete new construction.
Levittown is known for slabs, right?
We all get slabs around here.
On a slab.
Yeah, I think there's like 5 houses around here that have a basement. That's it.
Everybody else.
There's the old World War II bunkers, probably.
Yeah, yeah. So 4 beds, 2 beds. Here he comes again, man. All right, we're fucked. We gotta get out of here. Yeah. Cut. All right, I gotta get back into it. This is tough, man. Brian keeps fucking interrupting. It's hard. All right, back to the house real quick before he comes back. 4 beds.
Yep.
2.5 baths.
2.5 baths.
Open concept kitchen.
Yep.
Huge master, right?
Yeah.
Cathedral ceilings. Walk-in closet. And then the best is for last, which is the back porch.
It is nice. Even from what I've seen so far, it's real nice.
Yeah, there's nobody has something like this.
Places don't have that much shit in the bag like that.
13 by 32.
With 12-foot high cathedral ceilings in the porch. So we will see that.
You can host all kinds of shit.
Absolutely.
So I noticed you guys have, what is it, a heat pump?
No. This is gas. This is gas furnace, so 2-zone.
For this area, right?
Fairless Hills has it.
Yeah.
That's why I'm partial. Fairless Hills is better than Levittown. I'm just going to say it right now. We have gas.
Fair.
But yeah, 2-zone gas furnaces for upstairs and downstairs. So way more efficient. you know, even though I hate Pico, it'll be a little cheaper running the gas. But
it's not typical for. So these in this whole neighborhood, what types of houses are these?
these are all ranchers, one-story rancher. All right, here comes the maniac again. Got my polo construction pants on. You know that? These are fucking polos, dude. Read it.
That's it. Polo country.
Yeah.
Not just polo, but polo country.
These guys make fun of me.
Fucking brand.
I know.
Since 1985.
Fuck that, dude. I was 4.
That's what I'm saying. But so the houses around here, they're like what are they?
One-story ranchers.
One-story ranchers.
Yeah, some people went 2 stories, but
So I think your houses you built so far have been a lot of the 2 stories, and probably gonna make a lot more money. But it's a real nice house. I think when's the construction plan on being done?
probably end of April. We'll be ready for the market.
What's the typical turnaround time on these?
It depends. There's a lot of factors out, a lot of variables. Plus, we have so many things going on. But you know, you're like 3-4 months to when we actually get started. So that doesn't include all the logistical bullshit you got to go through, paperwork, you know, stuff like that. But once you get rolling, yeah, you're about 3-4 months.
Okay. So now did you get this house under the new brokerage, or is that something different?
No, that was prior. So we were like in process of getting things together for that. The new brokerage just opened up about a month ago.
Now, can you buy your own houses within your own broker?
Yeah. What? When what? Oh, moving it?
Say when.
Yeah, all right. You gotta go like 5-6 feet, like to the saw.
We're live, folks.
Yeah, check that out.
In case you didn't know.
Rod's moving the dumpster with the skid steer.
Watching the pitch roll back. Oh.
Yeah, that's good. What?
Can you buy property under your own brokerage, or does that have to be like something different? Like
No, so the brokerage will handle the transaction, basically, right? What you're taking title in is different. So we would take it into our acquisitions company. Okay. So we got 3 companies, right? We got construction, we have acquisition company, yeah, and then we got a real estate brokerage. Yeah. So, you know, the theme is...
Now, why'd you decide, you know, not to break it up, but why'd you decide to go with like 3 different companies all in one? What's that do for you?
Well, the construction, it kind of insulates a little bit, right? So construction is dealing with people's houses and shit like that, right? Yeah. And then the acquisitions is us buying stuff to either rent or we're resell. Okay. And then the brokerage is just because now we're able to get agents to work for us. We're able to get hopefully more leads on properties for us. So basically what we offer is a little different than I think there might be one other person that might be doing this. But so when we go to meet with somebody, we had a client about 3 weeks ago. We basically sit down and say, here, you want to sell your house, here's our cash offer, or we can put it on the market for this. Yeah. We give them the choices. Okay. Typically the market's going to be more, but there's other factors involved, like inspections, people are going to get mortgages, it's going to take time. If you got to move it immediately, then we can just give you a cash offer. Okay. But at least that gives the person that's in the situation, they have an offer right out of the gate. Yeah. It's ours. Yeah. And then we could list it for you. Or if it's something too where they want to list it, but they want to try to maximize the value, then they hire a construction company to do some improvements for them.
Which is?
Boom, boom, right. So you got 3 choices there with us that you can come in and we can offer it for.
So everything's under one roof, basically.
Exactly.
That's amazing.
So everything under one roof to get shit done. Yeah. That's basically what we're talking about.
Less headache too. You don't have to rely on a bunch of other people to do work for you.
Yep, because everybody in this business, right, from realtors to contractors, to
I want a piece of something.
Right, or everybody acts like they're a part of something or they're building or doing something, but it's always, I got a guy, I know this guy. Yeah. No, you're gonna deal with us. Yeah, we have some contractors for some stuff, no lie, but it's our same team every time.
Exactly, it's your team.
All our subs are.
It's not your team, but it's your team.
It's like we're together. Exactly. So we're not out there just finding some electrician, finding this. That's not how it works. So when you hire us as a GC or somebody to handle your entire real estate project or property, you're going to deal with one place. So if there's a problem, you call us. You don't want to go find the electrician. You call us. It makes it way easier, way more efficient.
So you got 3. Now you got 3 businesses.
3 businesses, yeah.
All right, new house. Yeah. We got the new business, and then You got some
friend Pico.
some typical issues with the utility company, and this one's called Pico. What is it, Pico Utilities or just Pico Electric?
Pico fucks you up, that's all I know. But yeah, I got personal issues at my house down the street. I got issues from a company standpoint here with this. So, yeah.
So what happened with this one?
With the Pico?
Yeah.
So, I get a bill yesterday. Here, everybody, you can't see it yet. We're going to walk through. House is clearly vacant, right? Nobody lives here. All right? So, you can see in there's not even drywall up. We don't have any appliances. We don't even have the heater hooked up yet. So I come home last night and wait till Brian goes by. This is awesome. So I get home last night. I open up the bill from Pico. It's $350
For a vacant house.
for a vacant house. Now I understand like we're doing work here, but majority of our tools are battery operated. Let's be clear, battery operated. All right. We were probably running compressors for like 4 or 5 days out of the month. So it's $350. You can't tell me because of the temperature. So I'm like, uh-oh. Yeah, he might back into me. See how cool it is? Because it has a track. You can just feel like it's fucking spin.
Dude. Crazy. I've seen that shit.
Oh yeah.
Legit tank.
All we gotta do is mount a little cannon on it.
Fire in the hole.
No, Morgan relates to the bill. He goes, oh, it's like a tank. I go, yeah, it is. Like, we just gotta mount a little cannon on top. We'll be good. Actually, that looks like a cannon, doesn't it?
I see almost side swipes the sign.
I know. So, yeah, $350. So I call up, right? The lady was real helpful. So we go through the whole thing, and she goes, oh, look on your bill. It says estimated. I go, what do you mean?
What does that mean?
So I go, I see actual and estimated.
People check your bills.
Yeah, seriously. So
The details.
she goes, oh, we've been estimating your bills. And I go, well, why would you do that? And she goes, well, the meter's not reporting back. I go, hold on, I'm trying to figure this fuck out. I said, so you have actual numbers that I see on here, which I'm assuming is from the meter, but then you have an estimation you're saying because the meter's not reporting.
Right.
So
At that point, you would think they'd come out and check the meter or call the owner and say, hey, check your meter.
but then I took it to the,
But they've been charging you for how long
that's
now?
where I went. So last night was like $350, and I knew the month before was like 136. And I was like, see how, like, whatever, you know, who knows? So now I go, well, let me ask you a question. I said, how long have you been estimating for? And she goes, oh, well, since you guys got it in July. I go,
Yeah, see?
well, I guess you owe us about $600 probably.
Checking that meter or just fucking charging you. An estimation.
We got that there.
I don't tell everybody, I've never paid more than, I mean, I paid quite a bit of money when I was like cranking up the heat, but recently I don't pay over like $200 if that. So you getting $350 for a fucking uninhabited fucking house is insane.
Yeah, so she's like, she started going like day by day. She goes, oh, I see 14 kilowatts here on the second, and I see 2 kilowatts here. I go, okay.
2 kilowatts.
I go, you notice that we were charged for 1,600 kilowatts. So if you're at 14 and 2, it's gonna take you a long time.
I like how she's trying to calculate it by smaller
I saw a spike. It was 14. I go, 14?
Yeah,
I was like, all right.
Jesus.
So we got a problem there. At the pound, it was vacant, and we just started renting it to one side. It was 1,100 over there.
God damn.
So Tracy, she's like a pit bull. She was on them.
She went real quick.
She made them swap the meter out, just so we'll see if that helps
At
it.
the compound?
At the compound, yeah. And then my house was, you know, I already pulled one video off about getting whacked about the power surge.
I was gonna say it's a surge, right? So it just knocked out.
Took out my heater.
Okay.
That would have been $1,800 to repair and then my deep fryer, the labor was $430, and I forget how much the circuit board was going to be. So I put a claim in with Pico, and which they did honor, but the max they can.
Sounds like it was quick too, though.
It was. It was like, well, they didn't give me the fucking money yet. They just said they'll do it. The max they'll pay you is $1,000.
Wow,
So
why is it a max?
I go,
Something they did.
so he sent me this letter, like it's called a tariff something, which I know. I was like, it's kind of weird. So it's from 2024. The max they'll do is $1,000. And I said, where'd you come up with that number? Like what? And he goes, oh, well, because most people's homeowners, their deductible's $1,000. I go, that's how you come up with this? And he goes, yeah. So if it's over $1,000, you just put a claim in with your insurance. Like, oh yeah, sure. I just put a fucking claim in. Like,
For something you guys jacked up.
they could have burnt down the neighborhood because there was 4 or 5 of us that had problems on our street.
And that was just from turning the electricity back on after an outage, I think.
They were fucking around with something because I got 2 text messages saying it went on and off.
So it wasn't even like a weather thing. It was
They're clear. If it's weather, they will not pay out on weather. But this was something else. But the guy down the street, he had smoke pouring out of his main electrical box. Timmy's dad next door, his power strip blew up. Luckily, no fire. The other guy, it blew out his water heater, and then mine was my heater.
I mean, electricity's no joke, man.
Oh, it would have burnt the shit out of it. So, yeah. So, you know, a lot of problems with Pico. I've been seeing tons of people on Facebook posting this year more than ever.
Interested, like in the comments and all that, to see how many people have problems with Pico, and you know, if shopping. I wonder if shopping for your electric makes a difference or anything like that. But either way.
Apparently, if your meter's fucked up, they just charge you whatever they want.
All right, well, that's our three stories for today, and then we're gonna take a little walk around here. So if you're interested, stick around. I'll probably put up a video. You guys can see the walk around, see what the real life of a flip is, and thanks for joining us as always.
Yep, here comes Brian.
Subscribe.
He's got a full load.
We're live.
All right, good?